Hello, little counters. Today we're gonna have fun counting fingers. I'll show you some hands, and you tell me how many fingers you see. Are you ready? Let's get those counting brains working. How many fingers do you see? That's right, you see one finger. Great start. Now, how many fingers am I holding up? Excellent. You see 2 fingers. You're doing great. Look at this. How many fingers do you count now? Perfect. You see 3 fingers. You're a counting superstar. Can you count these fingers for me? Wonderful! You see 4 fingers. Your eyes are working so well. How many fingers do you see on this hand? Amazing! You see 5 fingers. That's a whole hand. I'm using both hands now. How many fingers in total? Fantastic! You see 6 fingers. You're getting really good at this. Count these fingers for me. How many do you see? Great job. You see 7 fingers. Wow, that's a lot of fingers. How many can you count? Excellent! You see 8 fingers. You're becoming a counting expert. Almost all my fingers are up. How many do you see now? Incredible! You see 9 fingers. Look at all these fingers. How many are there in total? Perfect! You see 10 fingers. That's all our fingers. I'm mixing it up. How many fingers do you see altogether? Brilliant! You see 7 fingers. You're adding in your head. Last one. How many fingers can you see here? Fantastic! You see 3 fingers. You've become a true counting champion. Wow, little counters. You've done an amazing job counting all those fingers. Remember, you can practice counting anytime by looking at your own hands. If you had fun counting with us today, give our video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more counting adventures. Until next time, keep those eyes sharp and your counting skills sharper.